Welcome to Taste of Portugal. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make one of the most popular dishes in Portuguese cuisine. Clams in garlic and white wine sauce, or in Portuguese, amejoas a bolhao. This dish is renowned for its intense and delicious flavor. The recipe is very simple and easy to make at home, so stay tuned and follow all the steps for a perfect result. Let's get started. As ingredients you will need 2 kilograms of fresh clams, 10 cloves of garlic, a glass of olive oil, half a glass of white wine, 2 lemons and a bunch of coriander. Start by chopping the garlic. In a large pan, add the olive oil, the garlic and the clams. Cook over medium heat until the clams open. Add the white wine and let it boil for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the lemon juice and the chopped coriander, and that's it. Now it's time to enjoy it. Accompany with bread to dip in the sauce and a good white wine or cold beer. Enjoy a beautiful sunset while eating your clams. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any questions or want to learn a specific recipe, please leave them in the comments.